It's rainy season in Florida, and as a result, our plants are multiplying. So these planters came in just in time. I have a set of 5 planters, and I have some plants that need repotted. Each of the pot comes with a little tray that catches excess water, and it goes under the bottom, and they match the color of each of the pots. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. You can see that inside each of the pots is a series of drainage holes, and I actually do love the design of the drainage holes. It's not just little holes, it's actually a design. It sits perfectly inside this little water tray, so let's fill it up. Now, I have my little tools here. You know, are you really a gardener unless you dig your plants out with a spoon? Probably not. I am always using spoons in the garden. And my Fox Farms Ocean Forest soil that I'm going to use for the pots. We're going to start by splitting this purple one and putting it in the white pot. It takes about 2 full red cups for the amount of soil that I need to put the pot in, and then a little bit extra on top. You can barely tell where I took the babies, but now we have a whole separate plant just from the babies. Now I'm going to fill the rest of them with dirt. This poor little aloe got whacked by the weed whacker, so it needs a new home. I have a baby over here that I'm going to pull and put into the other pot. So this is the one I'm going to put into the other pot. It does have roots on the bottom. Welcome to the jungle. I do love these little grasses, so I think we're going to do some of these. I absolutely love how this made our grill area look.